Never ever tamper with fire alarms outside of your own house. Even if you are going to someone else's house and you are tampering with their fire alarms, that is pretty bad. But it's worse if you are tampering with fire alarms in public buildings. If you tamper with fire alarms in public buildings, you are going to get arrested by the police. Because tampering with a public alarm puts people's lives in danger. It's worse if you are tampering with fire alarms in public buildings, but anyways, if it's not your alarm, don't tamper with it. Only do it with your alarm. Never tamper with fire alarms in other people's houses. And for sure, never tamper with fire alarms in public buildings. Bye.